5 dangerous tigers. 1. Bengal tiger, responsible for the highest number of human attacks, especially in India and Bangladesh. 2. Siberian tiger, the largest tiger subspecies, known for being highly territorial and aggressive. 3. Indo-Chinese tiger, native to Southeast Asia. It often comes into conflict with humans due to habitat destruction. 4. Malayan tiger, increased danger from human contact. 5. Sumatran tiger, critically endangered. It becomes highly aggressive when cornered or defending its territory despite its smaller size.